Welcome back to another class of app development with Python. In this class, I'm going to be showing you about the prerequisites setup. Well, in this class or in this course, we are going to be using PyCharm as our code runner. You can also use like Visual Studio Code or other IDE to run your commands or codes or run Python. Okay, what we need to do is open up any web browser which you have on your device. It could be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera GX, Microsoft Edge. It doesn't matter. Okay. So let's just open up those web browsers on our device and follow up the steps which I'm going to be doing. As you can see on my screen that I have opened up Google Chrome, what you need to download is an IDE. But if you already have downloaded, you don't have to worry about it. But I'm just showing you the steps for like totally beginners. First off, just search for download Python. Hit on enter and it will take you to python.org. So click on that and you will basically see something like this over here. And for Windows, the latest version is 3.12.4. So just click on this download Python 3.12.4 and then it will just automatically start downloading on your device. It will take a bit of time and you just basically have to wait for a bit. If you have like a different OS, you're using a Mac OS or Linux, then click on any one of these buttons. It will take you directly to, or like it will just indirect you directly to the link where you will be able to download it for your own OS. Now, after this has been downloaded, then you're going to open up another tab and you're going to download PyCharm. Okay, I'm going to do is typing in PyCharm, hit on enter. And there we go. We have JetBrains PyCharm, which is Python IDE for data science and web. And from here, you're going to click on download on this one too. And this will also start downloading. You can see we have exe Windows ARM64 as I'm using a Windows OS. But if you are on a Mac OS, you can also click on Mac and it will just download it for Mac. You can see this is for Mac OS and this is for Linux. So download whichever one is comfortable for you or whichever one is better for you. But one thing you can see that this is a PyCharm Professional Edition. So this is basically not for free. So how are you going to download the free version? So just go back and you can see PyCharm IDE. You can click on download if you want to, but you can also go back and you have this community edition, which basically comes for free. So click on community edition and then click on Mac OS. You're going to click on this, visit PyCharm. And from here, you're going to download it up. It's totally fine. You can click on all products and you will be able to download it anytime you want. And one thing you can see over here is that you're going to check out the languages. So the things which we need are the GUIs. So on the GUIs, you can see framework support are PyQt, which we already need. The build tool, we have PyPNV, GIT GitHub, and all of them. Okay. And the rest of the ones we basically have to download and use it. So make sure to keep those things in mind. And in my next class, I'm also going to be showing you how you'll be able to download Kivy on your device or Kivy on your IDE. And after basically this has been downloaded, just open up that file. And after you have opened up that file, you're basically going to download it up. So I'm going to click on this. You can already see that I have already downloaded it up. You can see uninstall, remove, whichever one you prefer. I'm going to modify it, PyLauncher, click on that, click on next, and you're going to fix up whichever feels comfortable for you. And you can see it has been downloaded. You're going to close it off. And basically you are good to go now. Okay. So let's move on to our next class.